Happy Father's Day, Facebook. This is Walter Lundy with Regional IT Services, www.regionalITservices, professional technology assistance, computer repair needs, professional technology assistant.com's affordable domains, email, web hosting, as well as a slew and variety of other technical services. How are y'all doing today? I want to tell all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day from Regional IT Services. I am today on my Father's Day. I'm going to be hanging out with my oldest daughter for a little while. I'm just waiting for her. I'm at her house right now. I'm just waiting for her to get back. She actually had to take my other daughter to work. So I'm going to hang out with her for a little while. We're going to play some Super Smash Bros. And hopefully I can get her to make me some lunch. But that is how I'm going to spend my Father's Day. I wanted to plug the website, of course, like I always do. And I just wanted to say thank you for all the fathers out there that are making a difference. I want to say thank you for the stepfathers out there that are making a difference. They don't always get their credit, and they're just due. To love another man's child and raise them as your own, says a lot and takes a lot of character. So I want to congratulate you, fathers out there. Also, for those of you who are getting caught up in the narrative of black men don't take care of their kids, that's a lie. That's the exception and not the rule. My whole life, most of the black men that I know, they're great fathers and they love their kids. So don't get caught up into the hype. And black men and women, don't be repeating the narrative that is not true. We are great fathers and we are here for our kids. So don't let the media push our narrative and tell us, what we do and don't do. We know that we're awesome fathers. One time someone told me, I actually do not know my father personally. And I was struggling with this in the earlier years of my development, teenage years, so forth and so on. And my godfather gave me this advice, Sammy Akins. He's rest in peace, Sammy, but I've never forgot your advice. He told me, he said, Walter, you're 18 now and a man. He said, 0 to 18 years of your life, that's only a small portion of your life. He said, now that you're a man, you're going to be responsible for more of your life than anyone ever will be. The majority of your life, you will be making the decisions, and the results of those decisions will be a result of the decisions that you made. So if you're a grown man and you're still blaming people for your childhood, you can't. It's you. If you're 36 years old, that means that you have been responsible for yourself for 18 years. If you're still screwing up your life, that's on you, not anyone else. And that was great advice that I received from my godfather, Sammy Akins. Thank you for that advice. That put a lot of things in perspective for me, and that actually taught me the value of accepting responsibility for your own actions. But once again, I want to say happy Father's Day from Regional IT Services. Thank you all who've been supporting our services. If you're not following the page, make sure you follow us on social media and make sure you bookmark our webpage. Recommend, like, share our ads and services. Recommend our services. Thank you. The website again is www.regionalitservices.com. And once again, thank you to all the fathers that are making a difference.